Here's how to take screenshot on iPhone without buttons. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can take screenshot on iPhone without using buttons. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down a bit until you see accessibility. Just press on it and press on touch. Once you press on touch, scroll down. In the end, you will be able to see an option called back tap. Just press on it and then press on the option of double tap. So it's up to you if you want the tap triple or double. So a lot of people prefer double. Just press on double and then scroll down until you see the option of screenshot. Just press on it. Once you see the tick mark, go back and then just press double tap and you will be able to take screenshots. Here, as you can see, I took a screenshot without any buttons. I'm going to do it once again. Just double tap on your iPhone. And here, as you can see, I took another screenshot. So yeah, it's pretty simple and easy. So yeah, if this video helped you out, leave a comment under the comment section and like this video. Subscribe. Until then, good.